What's going on, everybody? It's Conrad from UltraBreak.com here on Wednesday, May 23rd, 2018, to do another 12-box case break of brand new 2018 Topps Tier 1 Baseball. This is random team style number 2 on release day. We just drew your teams and there were no trades. We got Yank Pats with the Yankees, Kobe 24 with the Astros, Luca Busta with the Twins, H3 Angels, Mike Kelly with the Rangers, Allen with the Mets and Cubs, Rich T Royals Rays combo, John P Brewers, Justin T with the Orioles Tigers, Mike K Athletics, Kobe 24 Marlins, Kennel with the Indians, Drew 22 Cardinals, VZ with the Diamondbacks, Allen White Sox, Chet West with the Padres Blue Jays, MTO Hawk Nationals, DRP Giants, Allen Dodgers Phillies Rockies, Mike K Pirates, Allen Reds, DK Mariners, Allen Red Sox, and Braves. Going to D Nice. Settle. Good luck. PYT number 6 of Tier 1 baseballs coming up next. Pick your team style number 6. With only one team left, Diamondbacks for $29. Last team mojo for the next break. After PYT 6 will be random divisions. Alright, good luck, guys. Box number 1. Man, it looks kind of weird with those hands behind my head like that, dude. There you go. Do you have a special name for cards graded 10 in all categories? No, I don't think there's a special name, but it's a black label. Black label. So the label's black instead of gold. Alright, first relic. First Tier 1 relic is going out to the Diamondbacks. Paul Goldsmith. Diamondbacks did well in the last Tier 1 break we did. 132/400. Paul Goldsmith jersey. To start off the break, VZ and the Diamondbacks. VZV. And a Drew Pomeranz auto for the Red Sox. 28/250 Red Sox and Allen. Going on to Boston. And Yoenis Cespedes, Tier 1 talent auto for the Mets. 45/80 to end out box number 1. New York Mets. Also Allen. New York, New York. Box number 1. Alright, box 2. Tier 1 relic. George Springer for the Houston Astros. Jersey relic. Houston Astros and Kobe on the board. And first auto out of box 2, we have a Jesse Winker auto. 200/275 for the Cincinnati Reds. Jesse Winker. Cincinnati Reds. Allen. And we have Patch Auto, Value Team Combo Mojo. Patch Auto, Blake Snell, 47/100, Tampa Bay. Rich T with the Rays. Patch Auto, Blake Snell. Alright, that was box 2. Number 3. Tier 1 relic, very nice for the Nationals. Bryce Harper, jersey auto, 52/400 for Washington and MTL Hawk. And Christian Arroyo for the San Francisco Gigantes, 239/275. Giants and DRP. Christian Arroyo. 275. Another Yoenis Cespedes gold ink auto this time. 24/25 gold ink Yoenis Cespedes for the New York Mets and Allen. To end out box 3. Number 4. Tier 1 relic. New York Yankees, Clint Frazier with the pinstripe. 126/400 rookie relic. New York Yankees and Yank Pats, Clint Frazier. And then a Keon Broxton gold ink auto for the Brewers, 20/25. Keon Broxton for the Brew Crew and John P. And we're going to end it with a very nice Chipper Jones auto, 24/70, Atlanta. 24/70, Atlanta, D-Nice, and the Braves. Chipper Jones, number 4. Box 5. Dual relic, tier 1 dual relic, going out to the Cubs. Check out my patch, 14/25 for the Cubbies. Wilson Contreras, 3-color patch on the bottom. So that's gonna be Cubs and Allen. And tier 1 double relic in this pack, Max Scherzer jersey, 206/400 Nationals and MTL. And then an auto for the San Diego Padres, 195/275 Denilson Limit. Chet West with the Padre combo. And here you go. Congrats, Yank Pats. Don Mattingly, gold ink auto, 12/25. Yankees and Yank Pats with the Don Mattingly gold. Tier 1 talent. That was box 5. Number 6. And a tier 1 Manny Machado for the Orioles, jersey 355/400. Baltimore, Justin T. And then we got an auto coming up here for the D-backs, Anthony Banda, rookie auto, 128/275. Diamondbacks and VZV, Banda auto. And for the Cardinals, Harrison Bader, 102/275. Harrison Darth Bader for the St. Louis Cardinals. And that is Drew 22 with the St. Louis Cardinals. 102/275. All right, that was the first half of the break, guys. Good luck second half. Tier 1 relic, Rafael Devers for the Red Sox, 179/400 rookie relic for Boston and Allen. Then an auto for the Baltimore Orioles, rookie auto of Austin Hayes, 134/275. Austin Hayes. B. Moore and Justin. And second patch auto of the case, Freddie Freeman, Atlanta, 31/45. Freddie Freeman going out to D-Nice and the Braves. Freeman patch auto. Number 8. PYT, pick your team style, number 6 of tier 1's coming up next, guys. PYT 6. All right, tier 1 relic, Jose Altuve jersey for the Astros. Jose Altuve, 115/400. And auto for the Cubs, tier 1 talent, Ben Zobrist. Chicago Cubs and Allen, Ben Zobrist, 62/90. Zobrist. Another tier 1 talent auto. This one's for the Stros, George Springer, 50/245. Houston Astros, Kobe, 24/8. All right, final 4. All right, tier 1 relic for the Red Sox, the Mookie Betts. Mookie Betts, 292/400. And an auto for the Milwaukee Brewers, Eric Thomas, 18/270. Milwaukee Brewers. I think I already marked the Brewers. Yep, John P. And a Victor Robles, tier 1 talent, rookie auto for the Nationals, 72/295. Robles, tier 1 talent. Final 3. Double relic maybe in this pack. Oh, nice. Tier 1 legend relic going out to the, what is this, Milwaukee Brewers on this one. 11/75 Brewers. Hank Aaron. Hank Aaron for the Brewers. And Tier 1 relic Michael Trout for the Angels. 262 of 400. H3 and the Angels. 262 400. And then so nice I did him twice. Tier 1 talent going out to the Gigantes. Christian Arroyo. 45 295. Christian Arroyo. Giants in DRP. And a Jose Barrios auto to end us out. 137 285 for box 10. Jose Barrios for the Minnesota Twins. And Busta Barrios. Alright, 2 more boxes to go. Good luck, guys. QIT6 running next. Jump right into it. We got a relic for the Cubs. KB with the pinstripe. 232 400. Chris Bryant. And auto, another one for the Rays of Blake Snell. 148 of 275. Tampa Bay. I'm going to end box 11 with the auto of Ahmed Rosario. Rookie auto, 28 of 100. Ahmed Rosario. I have yet to pull a clear 1 auto. I'd like to get one of those. Dug it in. I've got them a couple times already. Let's see if we can get one of this last one. Good luck. Last box. Coming up. Let's see if we get one. Double relic pack again, maybe. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. No. Yeah, dude.
What the F?
Maybe not the guy you're thinking of, but bro.
Oh!
Dude. Oh shit.
Broke the internet. Think you're gonna have to make a trip down, buddy. Think you're gonna have to make a trip down. Oh! Woo!
Oh my freaking god.
Well, you guys all bought in the right break. Damn, son.
Product dead.
Well, there's still an auto version. But still. No, now he's got to see it twice. Dang.
Oh shit.
Now getting back to that, baby.
This is one of the biggest cards I've ever hit. This is in a top 5 situation for me right here. Let's put that bag up.
I'm speechless, dude.
What the hell?
Jesus Christ, dude. Jesus Christ.
Wow, bro. All right, Tier 1 relic for the Diamondbacks, Jake Lamb. Jake Lamb, 144 of 335. Diamondbacks. And can it be? I don't know. First up, let's Let's see what this back card is. It's a Cal Ripken Jr. Woo! Baltimore, congrats. 32 of 50, Cal Ripken. Marwin Gonzalez. Who's that? Cal Ripken. 32-50. Astros prime performer auto. Marwin Gonzalez. Going out to Houston. All right, guys. That was Random Teams number 2. Congrats to Yank Pats getting his team and landing one of the biggest cards in the products run. Woo. If your team went hitless, you didn't get a jersey auto, you'll receive a $5 Hills credit that I'll send out before I leave the office tonight. Peace, guys.